Have you ever gone to a Starbucks and watched the gift cards that are placed just aside at the moment you place your order? Well, that is actually the secret weapon of Starbucks in its exponential growth around the globe. So let's go to the details. First of all, let's understand how does the gift card actually works. In first place, when you normally order, you select your favorite beverage, then you pay for it, and in last place, you receive your product. The money the Starbucks charges you has entered after the sale has taken place. This is the normality of most of the business. But when it comes to the gift cards, the things get twisted a little bit. So let's go to the details. When you buy a gift card, the money you pay goes upfront. That means that you are paying even before you actually put a food inside a Starbucks store. Actually, according to Starbucks, the amount of gift cards that were bought but never used are significant. In other words, Starbucks charges and gets the money before the sale takes place. That's free money. This creates a sweet spot that in business it's called float. But what is float? And what does it have to do with business growth? Let's put an example. Do you remember the last time you make a deposit inside your bank account? Well, the way those Starbucks gift cards works, it's pretty similar to a bank account. At Starbucks, just as your bank, have your money upfront, just waiting for you to be used between the deposit and the withdrawal. The money it's being used by the bank to buy assets, lend to other clients. Basically, it's helping to the business growth. When it comes the time you are claiming to use your money, the bank put it back inside your account. So let's go to a Starbucks. Between the time you buy the gift card and then you use that amount of money to get your favorite beverage or food, they apply that money to buy assets, open new stores, and other operative costs related to the normal activity of the business. If Starbucks were actually a bank, just in the United States, it will occupy the 385th place compared to other banks, just with the income stream of gift cards. An incredible number to a company that only sells beverage and food. According to Starbucks on public information, the gift card represents the 44% of their income in annual basis. The other 56% correspond to beverage and food. But analyzing all of the above, how can we apply those takeaways to our business? I personally think that the first one should be the correct capture and management of the business information. This will show us the key performance indicators that need to be followed up so we can focus our resources in trying to increase them. In second place, a specific group of strategies must take place in order to develop those KPIs. And third, the creativity must be one big takeaway of how to find new sources of income or create new ways to increase the existence. We, as a peak performance company, are so obsessed with the key performance indicators. Just as the blood test shows us our body actual state of health, the KPIs can give us a complete state of health of our customers' companies. I hope you have found some value in today's video. If you did, don't hesitate to subscribe to our channel or leave a comment below. We appreciate your time and see you the next time.